It's not yummy, sir.
Yes.
Not yummy.
Please, auntie, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My God, did you let me? I'm sorry.
You did. Not him, you, to you. There. Get some. Get some. Is it okay? That's a magic. Reach the cover of your bottle. Here. Give it. We have sorry.
My God.
You want?
Are you done?
Not yet.
Not yet.
What are you guys?
I'm the hag.
Damn my tongue. So
No, for you, together. That's what I put.
we'll do a little bit.
Thank you. Because she cannot hold the cup, that's why I put there.
Very happy.
This one is done or not? Or not? Oh, done.
We enjoy now the food.
No more.
No more?
Only this.
Kaki namin. Ah.
So you cook the delicious food?
Ay,
No, sir.
No, sir.
Her birthday celebrant.
It's your birthday.
That's why
make
she cook
25.
until 4 o'clock.
Make 25. 25 anniversary.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Don't go outside. Inside. Oh, you are here. Supposed to bring out go back now.
You like it? This is free of charge.
Kasi nag-order ako ng gamot
Lima yan.
Oo nga, yung siran ang in-order ko eh. Kasi grabe ang siran, ubo yung grabe ang kain ng oo, naglalemon na ako din kay amo eh.
Yung luya. Different.
Meron kaming binabad doon na luya na may suka. Na kinakain lang namin ito. Oo nga, grabe ang ubo ngayon.
Ano? Don't cast one. I cut?
Yun ang ano ngayon, yung ubo.
Ikaw ang birthday celebrant, hindi yan.
No, I cut the cake.
Okay, please. Okay, that for the cake.
Ito din, magkakapit bahay kami. Di ba Saturday ka? Punti 16 ka. Doon sa harap mismo ng Punti 16. Doon mismo sa Happy birthday to you. No permanent address.
Excuse me. Alam mo, tigil plates iyan. prayer request nila doon.
It's okay lang?
Kaya namin siya yung tatlong prayer request nila.
No problem. It's okay.
Kape sa bedroom. Hindi pala init yung kape. Ay, sa lunok eh. Grabe katawag sa tenga.
Ganja.
Bakit ka ba ito? Gusto lang yun.
Yung pigpig sana pa yung baga nga eh.
Katawa ako. Parang ako tanga. Nag-concentrate.
Gamali makana?
Nagsa-cellphone. Tapos biglang
Tao chabi ang kau.
Ngayon mas
Pedas. Pedas.
ay mas diangot na lang. Sikot Arabo.
The diet.
We are eating too much.
Fasting. Hello guys. We are here. Now we are eating lunch.
You need video?
Galing pagkakama din
Magdasalan.
This is Magda made from Java.
Dorcas recipe.
Saan na ngayon yung live niya?
Yan ka naman ako uwi.
Sa San Malo.
May bumabalik. Maglilis.
15,000 ang ano.
Lupa.
Kay Kara. Dito tayo.
Kapit sangre ka.
Madiboy.
Kasali mo nga yung Zay ko.
Pwede ba? Pwede mo na. Diyan ka magpinggan.
Ini aping ini nalamiis.
Siyempre, malamig dyan ka. Bisa ka mo.
Mix. Tibay naman. Dalawa, coffee at tea.
Tirisin mo. Magugutom ka dyan kapag ano. May is na ako eh.
May sword.
Yan, nakalimutan ko pangalan. Kasi dating kaibigan ko, hindi ng pangalan. Kasi binigyan ng pangalan. Nilalagyan lang tayo kulay by pangalan. May ko sa team. Ngayon, para sa
Ana din inherited the dolphin.
ako, ito.
You sleep with that. Did you try the food?
Not yet.
You took them.
But thank you so much. Maybe next Sunday I will go.
Sister Dorcas. The bag is for the cell phone. Wallet cell phone.
I didn't see. I last time I'm tired. I put the app, then I was going to sleep. I will try. Tonight.
Yeah. No way. It's like this, it's a coat, but I don't know the size. If it fits you, but I know.
Last night I sleep in 4 o'clock. And then I wake up at 5 because I have prior meeting from the Hong Kong. So
Me too, I sleep for
4 I sleep in because I prepare this egg. I boil egg, then I fry, and then in the morning I'm cooking.
no more egg.
I'm not eating.
You don't like?
Because there always eat egg.
Ang sabi tao, kasi yun. Apa nga nga may Rosita, punak na umay.
Okay.
Rosita said she will come, right?
Baba eat.
No, later.
It's already
Not really in the mood.
Oh, the coffee.
milk tea. I mix coffee in tea.